Hello everyone, and welcome back to the hay bale, straw bale garden here on the As the Rooster Crows channel. We're not going to do a whole lot in the garden tonight. We just had the whole weekend full of people. Grandson Xander was here, my mom and dad were here, Megan and Gabe were here. It's just been a really busy weekend. But I need to get those onions pulled out of the raised bed here because they are all falling over and they're changing color, and they should have come out probably about a week ago. So I'd like to at least get all of those pulled. You know, for this getting weed infested, we did better than I thought we were going to do. The purples did not do very good. I always have a hard time though. Purples don't grow as easy. Reds, purples, whatever they are. We ended up with a lot of onions, which is good because we use a lot of onions. Well, now that we've pulled all the onions, we're going to want to lay them out on the ground for a couple of days so they can kind of cure, get a little bit of a harder skin. But it's not as critical with onions as it is with potatoes not to be in direct sunlight. But get out of there. I don't want them in direct. So tomorrow is going to be almost the same temperature as it was today, and it got into the low 80s. We don't want to get a ton of rain on these, but a little bit wouldn't hurt, and we only have a 50% chance, I think, of like 7/10 of an inch within the next 2 days. So we're going to lay these out, let them dry a little bit, and then we'll be able to store them. Well, we'll cut the tops, and then we'll be able to store them. I actually think that Melissa might want to braid these and put them in the basement. I'm not real positive yet, so we'll have to wait and see. All right, they're all picked and laid out here. When you let them sit like this and they're curing, then all these, the roots right here, or as Melissa corrects me all the time, roots, they'll all get dried up, and everything will get tighter and just more like an onion that you buy from the store. I would say we got some large onions. We got mainly medium onions. The yellows are different. They're a little bit bigger. And then we've got, I suppose 25% of these are small. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Looks like the garlic here is coming along pretty nice also. We probably have another 5-gallon bucket full of beans to be picked. There was just zero time this weekend though, but yeah, still got a lot of canning of beans to do. The broccoli will be coming out here. It could be cut today, but we'll probably have to do that tomorrow. All the potatoes can be dug up now. We're not going to get anything more out of these plants. Still tons of tomatoes in here. They're just not ripe yet. Except this one in this container here. Those are getting some color. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.